we complete the application of a relative motion, that is boat and river motion. So this is the fourth class of relative motion. In first class, relative motion one dimension is over. In second class, relative motion in two dimension is over. In third and fourth class, so fourth periods, these complete that applications. So already third period, boat and river motion is over, and this fourth class, man in a rain, relative motion of rain with respect to man. This is the today concept of this class. So the concept is a man in a rain. Man in rain. So the relative motion of rain with respect to man. The first condition is so the man and rain motion. Rainfall vertically, man moves horizontally. So rainfall vertically, man moves horizontally. So what is the velocity of rain with respect to man? This condition, the direction of rain is VR. So direction of man is, this is VM. Direction of man is VM. So this is the direction of V man. So opposite direction minus Vm it is. The relative motion of rain with respect to man, this is the value V rain with respect to man, it is write as Vr minus Vm. So this is velocity of rain with respect to man. Very simple condition. बारिश ऐसा गिर रही है, आदमी भाग रही है बारिश से सेव होने के लिए. आदमी भागने समय में the speed of the person Vm and बारिश velocity. So बारिश velocity, this is Vr. Then what is the relative motion of rain with respect to man? Relative velocity of rain with respect to man, that means Vr minus Vm. The resultant of one positive vector, another negative vector. This is positive vector and negative vector. Vrm, that is equals to Vr minus Vm. The magnitude is Vrm. This magnitude is write as, so the angle between these two. So that means this is minus V man. So this is V rain. Angle between both vectors is 90 degree. Then V rain with respect to man, it is write as Vr square plus Vm square. Vr square plus Vm square. This is minus Vm, this is minus Vm. So that this is the directions it is. So angle is 90 degree. Then we consider its value becomes Vr square plus Vm square it is. Vr square plus Vm square. So this is resultant of one positive vector, another negative vector. That is called relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Suppose the angle with, this is the rain direction, vertically fall, Vr. This is the direction of V man. So this is a relative vector. This angle is beta. Beta is angle of, okay, rain with respect to relative Vrm. Then tan beta. Tan beta is write as, opposite V man upon V rain. And sin beta is write as Vm upon V rain with respect to man. This is the position of umbrella to save the person from this rain. Umbrella position. Umbrella is arranging the angle. So with vertical के साथ this angle is beta. Tan beta equals to Vm by Vr. Suppose horizontal के साथ this angle is, if horizontal, so the position of umbrella with horizontal, position of umbrella with the horizontal, this is we using alpha, then tan alpha is right as, this is Vrm, this is Vrm relative, this is Vman. Tan alpha is right as Vr upon Vm. This is angle with horizontal, horizontal के साथ angle, and sin alpha is right as Vr upon Vrm. So using cos function, then its value cos beta is right as existence Vr upon Vrm, and sin alpha right as, this is Vm upon Vrm. So this is the position of umbrella. In this problem, a rainfall vertically down. That means it is case 1 related. A rainfall vertically downward. So velocity of rain is vertically down. This is case 1 related. So case 1 related problem is there. A girl is runs with a speed of Vm. So this is the speed of girl, and this is the speed of rain. This is the velocity of the rain. We want, this value is given 4 kmph, this value is given 3 kmph. What is the velocity of rain with respect to man, with respect to girl? Velocity of rain with respect to girl. So this is V girl, but this is relative. Relative means opposite, minus Vm it is, minus Vm. The angle between, this is minus Vm, this is minus Vm. Then this is relative of rain with respect to man, that is girl ka. So this is the rain with respect to man. The angle becomes both is 90 degree. Its value under root of Vr square plus Vm square. It is right as under root of 4 square plus 3 square. Its value becomes 5 kmph. This is V rain with respect to man. That is V rain with respect to girl. V rain with respect to girl, 5 kmph. And after, what is the direction of umbrella with horizontal with vertical? Suppose umbrella using horizontal, angle with horizontal is theta, or this is using, suppose alpha use किया तो this is alpha. Horizontal के साथ angle, this is right as tan alpha. Alpha is angle with horizontal. Horizontal angle it is. Angle with a horizontal, that is alpha. Tan alpha equals to opposite 4 upon. So opposite upon existence. This is Vr upon Vm. So tan alpha equals to 4 upon 3. This is the direction. So vertical के साथ angle we consider, this is beta. Beta is angle with vertical, then beta is angle with vertical, So this condition tan beta is right as Vm upon Vr. This is tan beta is right as. So girl velocity is 3 upon 4. This is tan beta equals to 3 by 4 it is. Okay, second problem. The rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. The velocity of rain 35 meter per second. A woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 12 meter per second towards east. So this is west to east direction. West to east. So this is the speed of woman. 12 meter per second. Which she should hold her umbrella, and velocity of rain with respect to woman. So this is minus v woman. So this is the direction, opposite direction. This is positive direction. This is opposite direction. So this is a relative velocity, VRM. VRM is this. This is VR and this is V woman. Angle is 90 degree. Then VRM. It is write as under root of VR square plus V woman square. Its value under root of this value becomes 35 square plus 12 square. VRM. This is write as 1225 plus 144. Its value becomes 1369. 1369 R. So velocity of a rain with respect to woman. And we want the direction. Direction with vertical. Direction with vertical, this is the V rain and this is V woman. So direction with the vertical, umbrella position with the angle with vertical, that is beta. Tan beta is write as 12 upon 35 VR. Tan beta equals to VR upon V woman. So its value is beta equals to tan inverse 12 upon 35 it is. 12 upon 35. Angle with the horizontal. We want angle with the horizontal. This is VR. This is umbrella position with horizontal. This angle we considered alpha. Where tan alpha is write as. So tan alpha equals to VR upon V woman. Horizontal के साथ angle. This is write as 35 upon 12. So tan alpha. Alpha is angle with horizontal.